Here I have got some data, and I want to know who are our top nth customers. Defining my n values allows me to choose the range I want per time. This is how we can do it. We can say sort by as we want the customer names based on the sales amount. Select the customer name column, comma, and then select the sales column. And then -1, as we want the values in descending order. Then our n value cell. Close the bracket, and I'm going to send this to take function. These will be any values I input in my nth value, either top 4 customers like we have it. I can change it to whatever I want. That's it.